Hey traders, buckle up for a bumpy ride. The dollar's flexing its muscles across the board, fueled by a perfect storm of economic jitters and geopolitical turmoil. Let's unpack the greenback's grip on the markets. China sputters, the world's second-largest economy missed growth estimates, stoking worries about its wobbly recovery. GDP grew a measly 5.2% in Q4, failing to reach the expected 5.3%. Retail sales and industrial production also fell short, painting a picture of China's struggle to regain its stride. Middle East mayhem: Iran-backed rebels targeting a U.S. ship in Yemen keeps investors on edge, highlighting the ongoing tensions in the region. This risk-off sentiment sends traders scurrying towards the safe haven of the dollar. Waller walks it back. Fed Governor Waller's hawkish turnaround is another boon for the buck. He cautioned against premature rate cuts, emphasizing the need for sustained inflation control. This dampens dovish hopes and bolsters the dollar's appeal. Rate cut roulette: market expectations for Fed cuts are now down to 62% in March, from a sky-high 81% earlier this week. The greenback feasts on this easing of aggressive rate cut bets, pushing towards 5-week highs. Risk retreat: Antipodean currencies like the Aussie and Kiwi are taking a beating as risk aversion tightens its grip. They're falling against the rising dollar, reflecting the flight to safety in these uncertain times. Japan joining the rally: the yen stands shoulder to shoulder with the greenback, climbing towards 148.00. This unusual alliance is a testament to the global risk-off mood. Euro under pressure: despite hawkish rumblings from the ECB, the euro struggles near one-month lows. Mixed German economic data and Lagarde's upcoming speech at Davos keep the pressure on the single currency. Pound perks up: sterling defies the gloom, inching towards 1.2650 after UK inflation unexpectedly jumped to 4.0%. This surprise bump fuels hopes for steadier interest rates, giving the pound a temporary boost. U.S. retail in focus: upcoming U.S. retail sales data will be the next test for the dollar's dominance. Strong numbers could further weaken rate cut expectations and solidify the greenback's reign. Stay tuned, stay ahead. The market's a roller coaster, and the dollar's holding the tightest grip right now. Keep your eyes peeled on our YouTube channel, Forex Trading, for the latest updates, expert analysis, and all the financial thrills and spills you can handle.